Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm here to give you an update on BNB, a potential long position which could be coming through here. Let me just start right now on the short term for Binance Coin, and let's just dive straight into it here. As you can see, we do have this dominant uptrend on BNB here, and when you see a dominant uptrend like this, you need some sort of price reversal, and that's exactly what we're seeing here now. Right now, at this time, We've currently tested down on the 200 moving average. This is the 15-minute if you want to copy this on your chart, guys. Obviously, this is not financial advice, just for educational purposes only. We have actually just come and tested on the 200 moving average to the downside here. We are currently didn't find enough resistance to continue down, right? We actually found enough support to actually continue up, and this is why I'm going to be entering. This is a reason why I'm going to be entering along here. Let me explain, because obviously we do need this correction off this uptrend here. We are looking for that upswing now to the upside off this 200. If you look at the RSI right now if you look at the RSI right now on the short term, you can actually see that we did just get oversold, right? We just get oversold here, so we are looking at progressionary buying power to the upside, and that's an indication there for a long position if we can close above this 200 moving average here on the short term. As you can see, we're near enough due a bullish crossover on the 15-minute, near enough coming. These two lines are coming up together, these two moving averages here, so we're looking for a bullish crossover on the MACD there for the short term. That's another indication that we're going to be coming up and testing these major trend lines here, these major moving averages up around 335, more of like a scout position here, guys. In terms of the short term, not the short term, the 15-minute, the 1 hour time frame, we currently just found support on the 55. We're currently testing the price action channel here, so that's another indication that we're going to be flipping back to an uptrend once we've done this correction here. As you can see on the RSI, we're pretty central. We got overbought, which is what was expected before, which was expected for at the top of this trend when we found that resistance on the 200 there, but we got overbought, and then we got basically placed back to the central point of the RSI there due to the selling power, and that's obviously this lovely healthy correction which we've got going on here. And that's another indication we could basically come up to the upside from there once we find support on this price action channel. And obviously we've just found support on this 55 moving average here, right? In terms of the lowest point that I think we could go, this point here on this horizontal level of support here is around 302, and that brings me across to the mid-term right now. Look at that. The volume weighted ATR band is held its own. It's held it perfectly in terms of finding that support for the price there, and basically rebounding the price to the upside there. And that's another reason why I'm going to be getting in along here for BNB, because I do think we're going to be retracing up to around 300 and probably not 350 just yet, but as I said, we're going to come up and test the 330 mark at the 21 moving average on the short term, right? On the short term here, we've got to get past this. If we can get past this 21 moving average here, we're going to be looking at the next target set for around 367, and that's basically going to correlate perfectly with this higher high of this uptrend that we've got going on here. In order for this to do well, right, in order for this to really do well, we do need to see a nice hourly candle close somewhere up here, creating a nice higher low here for this candle. And basically that means that we're going to have potentially some sort of reset recovery, potentially some sort of basically trend reversal, potentially a head and shoulders pattern forming there, something along the lines of this, and then a continuation to the upside, right? Definitely something to think about when trading BNB, and that's why I'm giving you guys this, in a sense, emergency update for BNB, because this is a position which I am looking at taking, which looks pretty good in my opinion, right? Pretty good in my opinion. In terms of downtrend right now for BNB, obviously we do have this dominant lower low here, and this trend that's obviously getting heavily respected, right? It's heavily respected all the way along. So this is another indication that we are going to see a reversal in the price, because we do actually have the support from this this trend line on the MACD here to think about as well. So that's another reason why this long trend is looking like it's going to play out lovely. And the main reason for me is this volume weighted ATR band on the midterm, because it's super strong, right? In terms of finding the resistance from it, and in terms of finding the support on it. Look, we literally tapped it and then banged it straight up. In terms of percents right now, we're looking at literally something around 4% since we dumped it down, right? In terms of a percent right now, for a trade that I'll be going for, I'll be looking at closing above this 21 moving average here, potentially taking some profit around this price action channel here. If we can get over that, probably 50% profit around this point here, and then probably another 50% all-out profit near the 55, probably around the top side of this wick here. In terms of a percent for this trade that we'd be looking for, it's going to look at around potentially 18, 17% sort of trade, looking like that. Very nice stuff for BNB there, right? That's why I did this. Why I've done this for emergency video for you guys. Just for something for you guys to potentially think about, right? Just for something for you guys to potentially think about. And also, if we can see a nice surge in the price, and that is the wrong chart, that's Bitcoin. If we can see a nice surge in the price here, we could be looking at a completion of some sort of measure move here, in terms of a chart pattern that we might have going on here for BNB, right? Something looking like along the lines of this. We could be looking at a measure move to the upside of something like this, and it basically correlates again perfectly with where our take profit's going to be for the long that we're looking for in the next within the next hour or so, if we can get a nice close above this 21 moving average, guys. That's going to be the video. But yeah, I hope I've given you a little good insight into BNB and a potential trade position for you guys to take into account. Obviously, nothing I say is financial advice. It's just my opinions and a bit of guidance from an educational standpoint, right? But yeah, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Helps me out tremendously. And guys, if you want to be streaming with me every single day, I stream Monday to Friday, 1 to 2 hours every single morning, doing some altcoin videos there. Not some altcoin videos. Do some Bitcoin technical analysis. I do the the short term, the midterm, and the long term for Bitcoin there. And then I go on to altcoins, and I do basically loads of different altcoins as well. So if you want to be doing that with me, press that subscribe button, press that notification bell. You're never going to miss one of my uploads, right? You're never going to miss when I go live. But yeah, that's it from me, Crypto Chester. Have a good day, guys, and good luck with your trades. Peace out.